We are now ready to review assignments in Canvas, and we will look at setting up assignments, the type of submission and due dates. Then we will take a look at the gradebook and entering grades and using the speed grader. Then we will look at the calendar, and I'll show you how easy it is to move due dates around using this function. So let's first click on assignments. I've organized assignments in this course by group. And to create an assignment group, you simply click the button that says Add Assignment Group, and you can create a category for the assignment. I have already created categories for online assignments, quizzes, discussions, and classroom assignments, and you could feel free to put any other type. Maybe I'll put writing assignments. The new group shows up down here. To add an assignment, you can simply click the box and give the assignment a name and a description. You can also cut and paste the description in. You can give this a points value, and then you can choose the group that you want to put it in. I'll go ahead and put it in our new group for writing assignments. Display the grade as points, and the submission type here, if you're simply using Canvas in the classroom, you can say that it will be submitted on paper. So that would mean the students would turn it in to you. If you want them to submit online, you can go ahead and choose online, and then which type of uploads you will accept. If you will accept them typing directly into Canvas, you can select text entry, or you might choose file uploads, and you might also decide you only want to accept PDF or Word doc or any other type, but you can list as many as you would like. And then you'll assign to everyone, and we'll put a due date, and you can change the time. You can also restrict when the assignment will be available. So it might be available until the due date or just after the due date. That's up to you. Once you're finished, you can save and publish the assignments. Go back to the assignment tab, and you'll see the detail here that you've established. Now let's go look at the grade column that it created. So I will click on grades, and the video review assignment shows up here, and there's a column for it. If you were accepting in-person submissions, you could simply use the gradebook to come in here and assign points. So you can do all your grading and then come in here and assign the points manually. If you had an online submission, I'll go over to this concept statement. I can simply click on the arrow next to the first student's name, and it will launch this window here. And it's nice because it will tell you if the assignment's late or missing or excused. These are all missing because they're pretend. But once I launch the speed grader, I can go through and I would visibly see the submission here on the left. I can enter the grade, and I can enter a comment. The important thing to remember is once you write a comment, you need to click the submit button, and then once you enter the grade, you'll just click to the next student to complete entering that grade. The last thing I'd like to show you in the gradebook is the settings, and I find this helpful. If you are accepting online submissions, I find this really helps the student accountability if you put in an automatic 0 if they are missing a submission. If you don't put that in, it will basically just leave the dash in the grade column and it will not affect their final grade. But if you put in that they receive a 0 for not turning in their work, they automatically see the update to their grade. And over the past few semesters, I have found that this helps with their accountability. So you can put in that they will get a 0 for anything missing. You can also put in a deduction for a percentage off for each day or hour, however you grade late work. You're able to put that in here as well. So the Canvas does the work for you. Lastly, I want to go and look at the course in the calendar view. And on the right, you should be able to look at one or all of your courses in the calendar view. So if I turn on another one of my courses, you'll see more assignments. I'll go ahead and turn that one back off. And we're just seeing a couple of the assignments from the pretend course. The video review is what we just finished. So if I put that due date on the 27th, but I actually wanted it due a different day, I can simply click, hold, and drag, and then move that assignment in the calendar view, and it will update in the system. So it will update on the assignments as well. So hopefully you will find that using the assignments is helpful. The students really like to have that real-time grade.